Got this adorable bag that I got on Amazon for my crocheting. There's the blanket I'm doing. This is a little starter kit from Amazon. That's extra yarn. Take a look at this. It's so adorable. All kinds of things. I don't even know what they are. I know that's measuring tape. Different sizes of hooks. Big, tiny, little nippers, yarn. Now, when I'm traveling, then I can set this big bag at the bottom by my feet, and I can crochet on road trips. It's just the coolest thing, and it's big enough to hold a big blanket. I'm obsessed. It also has a couple pretty big pockets for water bottles or whatever. So cool.